Hello, wonderful learners. I'm still your master Chris. Today's question is evaluate the square root of 3 1 over 16. Evaluate the square root of 3 whole number 1 over 16. Solution. The square root. This is a fraction, but what fraction is this? This is a mixed fraction. Why is it a mixed fraction? It has a whole number and a proper fraction. It has a whole number and a proper fraction. How do you change mixed fraction to improper fraction? You multiply the denominator with the whole number, then add the numerator. 16 times 3. If you do the maths, it will give you 48. Plus 1, it will give you 49. 49 over 16, which is equals to the square root. This is a perfect square, which is 7 times 7 over 4 times 4, all square. And this is the same thing as the square root of 7 square over 4 square. The square root cancels the squares. We're now left with 7 over 4. This is an improper fraction. Why is it an improper fraction? The numerator is greater than the denominator. So we change it to what? Mixed fraction. So which is equals to 7 over 4 or 1 whole number 3 over 4. Answer. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.